Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a sheet metal part in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor sheet metal basic commands. Here we are going to construct a perforated sheet model in Autodesk Inventor. Go to front view. Here you can see the sheet profile. Now go to home. Now here go to new, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we will start from the top plane, so we will select the exit plane, rotate the view, take the circle command. From the center point, make a circle here of diameter 200 mm, enter. Go to rectangle, we will take a 2-point rectangle, make a 2-point rectangle here, go to dimension, define this thickness as 2 mm, okay, go to coincident, select the center and here select this, okay, go to dimension, define this height as 115 mm and escape. Now select this profile, make it construction. Now select this bottom profile, make it construction, okay. Now go to trim quantity and trim this inner profile. Now finish sketch. This is done to open the sheet. So we have made a cutout. Now here go to counter flange. Here we will take a counter flange distance of 250 mm and here we will take mid plane, okay, and press OK. Now go to sheet metal defaults, go to thickness and here we will define the thickness as 2 mm and enter. Now we want to open this sheet to work, so go to unfold. Here we will select any of the face. I'll select this and here I'll click add all bends. So you can see the cylinder is being opened into sheet form and press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and make a circle here of diameter 20. Go to dimension. From top this will be at distance of 20 mm and from side also this will be at a distance of 20 mm, okay. Now here go to the rectangular pattern, select this circle profile, go to direction 1, select this edge and here we'll take count of 25 and the center to center distance also 25. Now go to direction 2, select this head and here flip the direction to downside. Here the count will be of 9 and the center to center distance will be of 25 mm, okay. Now here press OK. Here you can see the complete profile. Now finish sketch. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select complete profile and here flip the direction to cut. I'll take a distance of 10 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here select this face, or first we'll measure the distance of the sheet after opening. So go to inspect, go to measure. Here I'll select this edge, okay. So this is 631.830. I'll right click on this and click on copy. I have copied the dimension. Now exit. Now go to sheet metal. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, okay. Now here go to line command, select this end and make a straight line of 15 mm, enter and escape. Select this yellow line, make it construction. Now finish sketch. Here take counter flange. Here you can see no profile has been created as this is a separate profile. So I'll click here on new solid, okay, and flip the direction. So the direction has been flipped inside and here when I flip again, so this will go to the other side, okay. Now here I'll paste the dimension which we have copied, 631.830. Okay, now you can see this is complete, and apply. Okay, and exit. Now here you can see there is no bend profile. To construct a bend profile, here we'll go to bend, select this and select this. Okay, so a bend profile will be created here with the radius, and press OK. Now you can see the bend profile. Similarly, same activities we will do with the other side. So select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the line command. From this end, make a straight line of 15 mm, enter and scale. Finish sketch. Here go to counter flange. Here we'll click on new solid. Okay, I'll flip the direction. So the distance here will be same, 631.83. Okay, and press OK. Now here again go to bend. I'll rotate it. Okay, so here we'll take this outer, okay, and this outer, and press OK. So a bend profile will be created here. Now go to home. Here I want to refold this. So for the refold, I'll click here on refold command. So this complete profile will be selected. Here it will ask you the stationary face. So this will be the stationary face, and I'll click on add all bends. Okay, and press OK. So it will be refolded back to the same profile. Okay, now we'll define the appearance. I've taken here the red color, so I'll take again light red. Okay, or you can take any beige color you can take. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a perforated sheet in Autodesk Inventor sheet metal. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.